For AI, we have to know the first thing, very important. When we speak about chatbot, intelligent with AI, we speak about intents because what it means when we have one question for the user, we want to know exactly what is the intents behind this question. Okay, so that's why now we'll create the first thing that we have to create is go back to the menu, go to intents, and I would like to add one intent. For example, it's password, and the reference question could be I forgot my password, or I want to reset my password. I want to reset my password. Oh, sorry, my password. Okay. I would like to create another one that it's, for example, services. Say, I want to know more about your service. Okay. I create two intents. I go back to the dialog editors, and here I can drag and drop intents here, for example, one, another one. And this one is for the password, so I click password, and this one is for service, and I click service. Okay. I can delete now the jumped receiver because I don't need it. Password the same. And instead of having this one, okay, I can delete the button. I can delete this one. I delete all this type of things. Also remember that I create this variable, so maybe I can put this variable directly here. Up. Same for this one. I will add it here because I don't want to forget the information. And in my first message here, I would like to add all start intent. So it means that now when we start the bot, instead of having a button, you will have directly a question for the bot and you will tap directly your question. This information tapped by the user could be stored in variables. So I would say it's a var main message. For example, you can add it what you want. Okay. So it's super cool. I create my bot, I create my AI, etc. But now my AI, it's not trained. So I need to have some information about this one, about password and services to train my AI. So to do that, I need data. I need to collect the data. And to collect data, I have two choices. The first one is to create a one campaign. So it means that, for example, I can create a first campaign, and I would like to add some password and services, and this campaign could be sent to my friends, to all my friends, to all my colleagues, and to because it's how I would like to I can collect the data about my bot. So I send an email to the user, and my friend receives this email, click on it, and go to this survey. It helps us to improve our chatbot. By nature, the human have different way to saying the same things, and for our chat, that can be challenge. Help us improve its understanding on two topics by giving us 5 different way of saying it each time. 2 topics because remember we selected password and services. Huh? And what is our bot about? The chatbot is training chatbot to understand all features. Remember, it is a definition that we put in the beginning when we created a chatbot. Huh? So get start. Please give us 5 sentences similar to I want to reset my password. So I forgot maybe my password. I have an issue with my PWD. Oh, sorry. My PWD, it's, I don't know, it's bad. I don't know. It's forgets. Forget. Nothing, huh? And maybe another one, it's blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay, new topics onto more services. What are your services? Your services, please. Services? What are you doing? Oh, what? Sorry. What are you doing in your company? What? What are the services proposed by your company? Okay, next. You as a contributor, it's finished. You have fulfilled the survey and you are super happy. But as an owner of your AI, you have one part is classification. You receive all the sentences of the user. Okay, so services, password, etc. So this one you now to have to validate. Say, oh, this one it's okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. It's okay. It's okay. This one I don't like, so I put in garbage. This one I put in garbage too. This one it's okay. This one it's okay. It's okay. Okay, and now I can empty my garbage, and as you see I classify 8 sentences, but you can imagine that it's not enough to train the AI. So I have the possibility to import directly the data, and for you I prepare some data about these two topics. Okay, so training, go back to data, and here I have some example about password and about the services. Put it in English. Okay, and it's for the password. Yes, just selected password. Imagine I have some example of password. Okay, and I'm go back to my screen. Here I would like to copy paste, so it's super easy. So if you have one already some sentences about one things, you can really make copy paste. Go back to my list. If I'm going now to services, up, and list an example of services sentences to explain that I would like to have information about services. Same, okay, it's about services I imported. The good thing is when you import data, you don't need to reclassify all the data. And as you see now, we will have 97 sentences. So I have enough data to train my AI. So I will go now to train my AI.